In this video, I will explain the query function in Google Sheets. So query function is just similar to the SQL query. So if you know the SQL query, then you will find it very easy to use this function. So basically what this does is that it extracts the data from the given range using SQL like syntax. For example, we have got this data that is highlighted in this orange color. So if you want to extract, say, this column, you can say select C because that is in this column C, right? So just use select C. So first parameter is the data range. Second parameter is the SQL syntax. Select C. That means select this particular columns data. And you can see we have got this data over here. 1, 2, 5. Now the cool thing about this syntax is that you can use any other keywords that you use in the SQL. For example, if you want to order this data, right now you can see that this data is not ordered. But if you want to order it, you can say order by column C. And you can see that now the data has been ordered. So it's pretty cool function. You can also use other features of SQL. For example, you can print the count as well, like how many records are there in that particular column or in the range. So here you will have to remove this order by. And you can see that there are 5 cell values over there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And similarly, you can use several other features of the SQL query using this query function. It's very powerful function in Google Sheets. Thank you for watching.